Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is ASAD YAQUB, and from my side a very happy Eid al-Fitr, Eid Mubarak to all my subscribers, and thank you very much for your love, for your care, for being with me on this auspicious day. I would like to say Eid greetings to all the people who are with me, who watch my videos. Well, on this special day, I would like to say a funny verse from poetry, that is Dabbe mein dabba, means box. Inside the box there is another box. Dabbe mein dabba, dabbe mein cake, and then there is cake inside that box, right? So dabbe mein dabba, dabbe mein cake. Mere subscribers लाखों में एक. So this is the day to enjoy, right? And my subscribers are 1 in million, right? They are actually priceless. So guys, thank you very much. Happy Eid. Enjoy yourselves, have fun, enjoy yourselves with your family, with your friends, with your kids and all that stuff. May you have a fantastic day, and I'm enjoying my Eid with my family as well. It's a hot day, but it's beautiful, and remember, after Eid I'm going to make a lot of videos on IELTS for you. Take good care of yourselves. ASAD YAQUB wishes you all the best once again. Take care. See ya soon.